Welcome to the heart of tech. You're watching Science and Technology News. Welcome everyone. Today, we're going to set up Trakt on Kodi and FireStick, ensuring your watch list is perfectly synced across all your devices. What is Trakt? Think of it as your digital insurance policy for streaming. Even if your device resets, your entire watch history remains safe and accessible at trakti.tv. Before we dive into the setup, I have a small request. As you know, Amazon and Google are constantly dropping new blocks, and it takes a lot of time and effort to track these updates and bring them to you. If these guides have been helpful to you and you'd like to support the work we do here, please consider leaving a like and a quick comment. These small actions are the best way to help the algorithm recommend this information to others who might need it. Also, we are currently just 8 subscribers away from our 1,000 subscriber goal. Being part of this special milestone would mean a lot to us. If you want to keep the most critical updates right at your fingertips, we'd love to have you in our tech family. Thank you so much for your support. Now, let's get started with the setup. Here are the steps to sign up for a free account. 1. Access https://www.trakti.tv on any computer or mobile browser. When the landing page loads, click the Join Trakt for free link. 2. You can sign up with an email or with your Apple or Google account. 3. If you chose email sign up, on the next page, enter the details and click Create Account. Steps to install Trakt on Kodi. Trakt Kodi add-on is a part of the official Kodi add-on repository. Follow the steps below to get Trakt for Kodi. 1. Make sure you are on Kodi's home screen. Now, click Settings in the top left corner. 2. Click Add-ons. 3. When you see the following options, click Install from repository. 4. Click the Kodi add-on repository on the next window. If you don't see this option, skip to the next step. 5. Click Program Add-ons next. 6. Scroll down and click Trakt. 7. Now, click Install on the bottom right. 8. Wait for the Trakt add-on installed notification. It will appear in the top right corner. 9. This installs the Kodi Trakt add-on successfully. You may see the following pop-up. To authorize Trakt, go to trakti.tv/activate and enter the code on the pop-up. If you dismiss this pop-up without authorizing the account, you can also allow it later, as shown in the next section. We will now learn how to configure Trakt on Kodi. How to set up Trakt on Kodi. You will need to authorize Trakt on Kodi on 2 levels. First, you must configure the Trakt add-on for Kodi. Second, you will be required to authorize Trakt individually for each add-on. Let us take a look at both one by one. 2. You can access Trakt from the Program Add-ons section. 3. Right-click Trakt if you are using Kodi on a computer. On FireStick or other TV devices, long press the OK or Select button. Touch and hold on touch devices. Click Settings on the pop-up menu. 4. A window titled Settings. Trakt will pop up. Select General on the left, then click How do I authorize the Trakt add-on to access my trakti.tv account. 5. You will see the Trakt Account Authorization dialog box with a QR scan code and an alphanumeric activation code. You can integrate Trakt to Kodi using either. If you use the Trakt mobile app, scan the code in the app, and authorization will occur instantly. 6. If you are using the Trakt web service, go to https://www.trakti.tv/activate. Log in with the Trakt account you created earlier and enter the code displayed in the Kodi window, see image here. Click Continue. 7. Confirm your intent by clicking the Yes button on the next screen. 8. You will see the following notification when you have successfully activated Trakt on Kodi. 9. The account authorization notification appears in the top right corner of the Kodi window. 10. Open Trakt settings again. When you successfully activate Kodi with a Trakt account, your Trakt account name will appear at the top. Part 2. Authorize Trakt on each Kodi add-on individually. First, you must ensure you have one of the Trakt-enabled Kodi add-ons. Not all the add-ons support Trakt. Thankfully, the most popular add-ons, such as Homelander, Shadow, and the Magic Dragon, are compatible with Trakt. You have already authorized your Trakt account within the Trakt add-on in the previous section. Most Kodi add-ons will get approved automatically with it. However, you need to allow a few add-ons separately from their settings. I am choosing the Homelander add-on for demonstration purposes. 1. Go to the Kodi home screen and click Add-ons on the left. 2. Select Video Add-ons on the right. Click the add-on you wish to integrate Trakt with on the right. I am choosing the Homelander add-on. 3. Click Tools on the main screen of the Homelander add-on. 4. Click Trakt, Authorize. 5. Note down the code on this pop-up. Go to trakt.tv/activate and enter the code. 6. If the add-on is successfully integrated with Trakt, you will see your username within the Trakt settings of the add-on. For instance, on the Homelander add-on, navigate to Tools Settings, Trakt to check your username. How to set up Trakt on FireStick. Trakt works with many FireStick apps. You can track your watch history across multiple devices. I am using the Cinema APK for the demonstration. However, the steps are similar for all other apps, such as BTV, Cyberflix, Nova TV, and more. Follow these steps. 1. Run the FireStick app and click the menu, top left corner on Cinema APK. 2. Click Settings in the drop-down. 3. Click Account. Some apps may not require you to click Account and show the options directly on the settings window. 4. Scroll down to the Trakt section. Click Login to Trakt TV. 5. You will find the authorization code in the next window. Note down this code. 6. Go to https://trakt.tv/activate in a web browser on a computer or mobile. You may also use a FireStick browser. Enter the code you noted. 7. Once your Trakt account is successfully authorized, you will see your account details, username and name, on the app screen. 8. The FireStick app may have additional settings for Trakt. For instance, Cinema APK has the following options: Trakt Sync Mode. Let's choose between merging local and Trakt data and using Trakt data only. Automatic Sync Trakt at startup. This option is disabled by default if you want to sync your history every time the app starts. Show My Trakt Calendar shows only, displays only the shows added to your Trakt calendar. In summary, this video demonstrates how to install and set up Trakt on Kodi and FireStick. Now that the Kodi Trakt add-on is integrated into your Trakt account, you can start watching your favorite movies and TV shows. Trakt will run in the background and sync your activity. However, you can also change the settings to send you notifications when there is Trakt activity on Kodi. Trakt will gradually learn your viewing habits and recommend movies and TV shows accordingly.